dear. It's time for activity time. What shape this is? When it is a circle shape, when you cut the circle shape, what shape will come? Yes, semicircle. What shape this is? Semicircle shape. What shape this is? Semicircle shape. What are the related objects? Can you tell me? You should not see the board and tell me. Yes, very good dear. Rainbow is what shape? Semicircle shape. See, when you cut the watermelon, one piece, what shape? Semicircle shape. Watermelon, when cut it and take one piece, what shape will come? Semicircle shape. Rainbow is semicircle shape. Watermelon, cut it and take one piece alone, it what shape will come? Semicircle shape. So these are the some example for the semicircle shape. Now take your activity note. Ask your papa, mama to draw the semicircle in the activity note. And write the topic semicircle shape and write today's date and take the indigo color. Everyone ready with your indigo color? And color the semicircle with the indigo color. Tell and do. Semicircle shape. Semicircle shape. Semicircle shape. Inside only coloring. No outside. Okay. And take any one related object. Draw to the semicircle and color it and enjoy the activity. Next, where we are moving? We are moving for the language time. Everyone ready with your volume 3 worksheet. This is your volume 3 worksheet. Go to the block number 17. Just we are going for the recap session. Can you remember? Go to the page number 5, 17th block. Next, go to the page number 6. Yes to one more. Write today's date. And what is the topic today? One more. Can anyone remember what is the one more? Yes. நம்ம அம்மா கிட்ட கேட்போம்ல ஒரு பிஸ்கட் அம்மா ப்ளீஸ்மா ஒரு பிஸ்கட் கொடுங்கம்மான்ட்டு. ஸோ அம்மா 2 பிஸ்கட் கொடுத்தா நம்ம என்ன கேட்போம்? ஒரு பிஸ்கட் கொடுங்கம்மா. ஸோ ஒன் மோர். ஒன் மோர் மீன்ஸ் ஒன் எக்ஸ்ட்ரா. One extra. That is one we are going to do. Take your pencil. Tick the group that has more. Here 2 circle given with the leaves. Count it. 1, 2. Next circle 1, 2, 3, 4. Which is more? 2 or 4? Yes. 4 means put your tick here and write one more. So 8. One more number what will come? 9. 13, one more number is 14. 18, one more number what will come? 19. Like this you finish it. Draw one more. See dear, here they given 4 circle. So 4 is here. One more means you have to draw how many circle? 5 circle. See dear, how many triangle here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here 8 triangle is there. So one more means 8. One more means so how many triangle we have to draw? Yes, very good dear. 9 triangle. Go to the 4th question. Write 2 more. So we want to now do the 2 extras. First we have done for 1 extra. Here 2 extra means 2 more. Okay. For example, 2 fingers here. I need 2 more fingers. Then how many fingers I want to open? 1, 2. Now how many fingers here? 4 fingers. Okay. Now you understood how many? 2 more. So write 2 more. 11. 11 after 2 more number you have to add. 12, 13. 13 is here. Next 13 you have to add 2 more number. 14, 15. So 15 after you have to add 2 more number. 16. Yes, 17. Write 17 here. We have finished this worksheet. Now we are moving for the next worksheet. Go to the page number 8. Write today's date. 1, less. 1 less. 1 less means என்ன சொல்லுவோம் அம்மா கிட்ட, அம்மா 3 இட்லி கொடுத்தா அம்மா எனக்கு 2 இட்லி போதுமா, ஒரு இட்லி வேண்டாமா சொல்லுவோம்ல. ஸோ 1 less. 1 less. Pick the group that has less. So less means என்னது, கம்மியா இருக்கிறது. So count the ball inside the box. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So first box is 8 ball is there. In the second box 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Which is less ball here, 8 or 9? Yes, very good here. Put a tick in the first box. How many ball is there? 8 ball. Here is 9 ball. So 8 is less number when compared to 9. Next go, write 1 less. For example, open the 3 finger. Show me the 3 finger. Less 1 finger. 1 finger close. Yes. Now how many is here? 2. So I have closed 1 finger. So 1 less. 1 less. For example, 4. 1 less 1 finger. 1 finger alone you have to less. Yes. How many finger is there now? 3 finger. Count it. 1 2 3. Yes, very good dear. Same we are going to do here. Write 1 less. See, they given first one is done for you. 12. 12. In the number 12 less 1 number, what will come? Very simple dear. It is a before number. Yes, 11. 16. From the number 16 less 1 number, what will come? 16 before? Yes, 15. Like this you finish this box. Draw 1 less. See, first is what shape this is? Square shape. How many squares are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8 square is here. So you strike out 1 square. Wait dear. So you less 1 square. How many square you want to draw here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So draw 7 square here. Like this same you done here also. Go to the fourth question. Write 2 less. So what you want to do? There we have seen 2 extras. இப்போ அம்மா 4 இட்லிஸ் கொடுப்பாங்க. நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? அம்மா எனக்கு 2 இட்லி போதும், 2 இட்லி வேணாம் சொல்லுவோம். 2 less. 1 2. How many finger here? 2 finger. Same like we have to do here. See here. 20 given. 20 19 18. So you have to write 18. So 9 finger. Show the 9 fingers. Yes. Less 2 fingers. 1 2. How many fingers here counted? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So how many fingers here now? Write the answer here. Now you have finished 2 worksheet. No? Next where we are moving? Yes, blend word. TH it blend words. TH it blend word. S2 dot 1 the sound TH it. So write the today's date. Trace TH it letter and come to the second question. Color the things that begin with the it sound. So what are the it related picture? This is what picture? Chimney. Whether it is the related object? No. Yes, the thumb. So we color the thumb finger. Next the thorn. Next the ship. No, wrong. The 13. The thermometer. So the thumb finger, the thorn, the 13, the thermometer. You color it and come to the page number 9. Yes, 3.1 beginning sound. Write today's date. So they given so many picture. You are going to identify the picture and the blend word. See, th, it, see it, ch, s, sh. Okay. First one is done for you. What is the picture given? The thumb. So what letter will come? Th, it. Next, what picture this is? Shoe. What is the beginning sound? Sh, s, sh. Next, what is the shell? Shell. So you have to write sh. Next, chips. Chips. So what is the beginning letter? Ch. Okay, like this you finish the worksheet and take the photocopy of worksheet and the activity and post it in the Google Classroom. I am waiting for your amazing work, dear. Fastly post it. Until bye, take care, have a nice day. Thank you.